face. I also like sitting on
Why is working out part of your routine as a stylist?
Good endorphins. Agad. Very good. I think it's the light energy, the light vibes. That I think any artist wants to have when they're working with someone.
siya. Nagpaparinig ng kanta ng mga references. Sabi ko, first time, panoodin mo sa kung nagagaling na rin.
Pinili ko lang siya.
Oo. Bigla siya, kinabahan siya. Anxiety siya. Tukol kasi sa drawing.
So what?
What does it feel like to be G Hoxton Studios operations manager?
Fun naman siya. Pero sometimes it can be a little bit overwhelming. Kasi nga, it's mostly, ayun, as the word operations is operating the team or the day-to-day projects, making sure that everything's pulido. It's great naman.
How would I assess it?
Oh.
Good naman. It's his asset kasi to organize stuff. Which is why their job is candid to them.
Go niyo sa Obar.
Mag-photo shoot for Pride Month headshots.
Socks or no socks? I have socks.
Socks.
White socks.
Socks kasi sport athletic.
Yes. Parang inis ko kasi parang swimming shoes siya.
Cute yun lang.
Ano nangyari? Akala ko ba sa Obar yung shoot niyo?
I like wearing face. I also like sitting on face.
Congrats.
Good job.
Yeah, I want the eye. Gaya kay Nico.
Pero sino sa akin? Tingin ka sa akin. Ryan, labas mo pa yung ganda. Parang hindi na mo.
There's also a free HIV test.
Go, labas na.
Tapos there's freebies.
Slay.
It's fun.
Difference ng prep at pep.
Yun, si PrEP is pre-exposure prophylaxis po. Then, si PEP naman po is post-exposure prophylaxis. Ginagamit si PrEP bilang pre, and si PEP naman is post-prophylaxis.
Pag na-expose ka na gano'n or after
Pag na-expose ka na, ay na po yung doon na papasok si PEP. Pero pag pre-exposure pa lang, is si PrEP po yung papasok sa'yo.
Gets.
Oh, it's ganap for the day.
We're on our way to have a meeting with Brigadine. So she wants us to style her whole campaign. Kailangan namin ng laptop.
Ito ka lang dito.
What is mother to you? What does it mean to you?
Nagpapasuso, nagpapakain, nagpapagatas. Siguro, well, technically a mentor and someone who supports everyone and all that the mother can